My name is Rick Chrustowski. I'm an author and an illustrator, and I'm here at Meadowbrook yesterday and today working with all the grades, telling the younger grades about how I write and illustrate picture books. And then with the older grades, we're working on figurative language. I'm talking to them about how they can use figures of speech to create pictures in the reader's mind. Everybody. All of my artwork is inspired by nature. And so I learn everything I can about that animal, and then I write a story, and then I make the art for it. I'm also doing large drawing demonstrations and showing the kiddos how to draw any animal they want just by using simple shapes. Fun for me to be close to home. I did some of the research for one of my books in Worth Park, which is not far from here. So it's really fun to be able to ask the kids, you guys know where Worth Park is? And they all raise their hands. They know exactly where it was that I did my research, so they can relate to the space, the setting that my book takes place in.